working through all the videos for the brand new Singer CE677 sewing machine. And here we're going to talk about the art of changing presser feet. Now there's a handful of presser feet that came with this machine, plus you can buy additional accessory feet. It's like buying new shoes for you. You get to buy new shoes for your sewing machine. And they have an easy snap on and snap off. So no screwdriver needed for most of the feet. So as you can see in the back, there is a little lever that if you push your finger towards you, it drops the foot off. Now to easily reattach the foot, slide the foot underneath, and while you're holding it, lower the presser foot down on that bar. Now if it doesn't want to go, slide the foot forward or back, whichever way it needs to go, and it will click into place. Now there's always the right foot for the job. With this machine, you had a handful of feet, such as the foot that sews buttons on, the little one with blue toes. Love that one. We're doing videos on all parts of this machine, so we'll show you how to sew buttons on. Speaking of buttons, you can do buttonholes. This foot goes on like this with the extension out the back. There is a zipper foot that you can actually attach to the right or to the left, depending on what side of the zipper you are working with. There is a blind hem foot that came with this machine, which, by the way, it's adjustable, so I've often used this for overlock stitches as well. And there is a clear foot. You know that I love decorative stitches, so this foot looks like a regular foot, but you can barely see that there is a cutout underneath, a groove that when you're stitching stitches that are very heavy or dense, there's a place for them to go out the back. So being that it's clear, I can then also see where I'm going, guide it easily right up to a corner to turn, or to easily go around a curve, so I keep everything perfectly aligned. Again, we'll put links below where you can find additional accessories that you can outfit your beautiful Singer sewing machine and have lots more capabilities, all within the stitches that you have included, plus using different decorative threads and all sorts of creative ways, all by just getting additional accessory feet. There are times where you will take this screw off, for example, to attach a walking foot or even a free motion foot. But it will show on the package if you are actually going to take off both the foot and this small ankle that is currently on the machine. But most of the time, you just use the button in the back for easy on and off. I hope you'll check out all of our videos in this playlist for mastering just about any Singer sewing machine and not being frustrated along the way. Happy sewing!